Intel unveiled its next generation of desktop processors recently with the announcement of the new 9th Gen Core CPUs at its fall desktop launch event. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The company introduced the world to its new Core i9-9900K processor, which it claims to be the best gaming processor in the whole world. With 8 cores and 16 threads, the Core i9-9900K processor clocks at a base frequency of 3.6 GHz, which might not seem impressive, but what is impressive is its boost clock, which is up to 5 GHz, which might be impressive but nothing new. Along with the new Core i9 processor, Intel also announced the 9th Gen Core i5 and Core i7 models, being the 9600K and 9700K with 6 cores and 6 threads and 8 cores and 8 threads respectively. Though Intel has announced its 9th generation chips, it still uses the 14nm process, which it has been using since 2014. At that time, the company was on its 5th gen Broadwell chips. This is perhaps because Intel really wants to squeeze out every single bit of performance out of the 14nm manufacturing process before moving on to the further smaller variant. The company also claimed that these are its first desktop processors to have hardware fixes for the Meltdown Variant 3 and L1 terminal fault issues. The 9th gen chips can be pre-ordered and the processors are said to ship starting October 19th. Coming to the cost of the chips, the Core i9-9900K will come at a base price of $488 or 36,000 Indian rupees, with the 9700K coming at $373 or 27,000 Indian rupees, and the 9600K at $262 or 19,000 Indian rupees. But expect a hefty addition to the Indian prices thanks to the import duties imposed. The company also announced 7 new Core X chips which will go on sale starting November. The Core X chips include the Core i9-9980XE, apart from which the arsenal expands with 5 more Core i9 X series chips ranging from 16 core 32 threads i9-9960X to the 10 core 20 thread i9-9820X and a base Core i7-9800X model with 8 cores and 16 threads. For actual performances, we have to wait for the reviews. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.